If a Waqifat get an educational loan from Jama'at, and after graduating from college, she immediately served the Jama'at, how should she repay the loan? Jazakallah.
You see, you can tell the Jama'at that although you took loan from the Jama'at with the intentions to repay it back to the Jama'at, but with this nominal stipend and the allowance which is given to you by the Jama'at, you are unable to pay the amount within a short period of time because the amount is quite substantial. So Jama'at can fix some small amount to repay back your loan, and then they will deduct it from your income source or your allowance. And sometime it so happens, if Jama'at wishes, they can write off the loan, but it all depends on the financial position of the Jama'at, right? Otherwise, you can just pay back a small amount every month, and it will not burden you too much.